Hey everyone, so today I'm doing purple and next week I'm going to do the black with the lashes I got. So on my eyes, I already put on Dreamers, the liquid eyeshadow. It's frosty, so I put on my lid and I put it on my crease. My brow bone. So I'm going to put the frosty color, which is the darker color, on the lid. And then I'll put that matte color on the crease, which is the lighter one. So a tiny bit patchy. I'm just dipping it in the Panther, just a tiny bit, and just putting that in the deeper crease just to get a little bit more definition, since that purple is a bit patchy. I'm going to put a little bit more of the Dreamers. Just going to smooth it out a little bit with a brush. And I'm going to use the lighter glitter on the inner corner and the darker glitter on the outer corner. All that glitter is in the overlay. It's just gel underneath. It's gross. And so far it has creased on me. Every single time almost. So I'm going to put black liner, mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. So on my eyes, I use their purple pencil. On the inner corner, I use their lavender pencil or jumbo pencil or whatever. And then I took the eyeliner and I put that in, like in the deep inner tear duct area that doesn't even show on me, but that's what I put. On my lips, I put the purple high shine lipstick. And now I'm going to put 100% lit over that. Ooh, nice. Very pretty. And I used my last hair chalk, whatever was left in there. So yeah, just finished that. And I finished my bleaching powder, my bleaching, the liquid stuff, whatever they call that, developer. So next week, after I get all of this, wash this all out of my hair, I will part my hair into 6 sections and do the rainbow. I did use the last of the bleach to get the back as best as I could. You know, for not having eyes behind my head, I did the best that I could. So yeah, so next week it will be black. I will use the lashes with that. I like how lashes look, but sometimes they cover my lid, which kind of defeats the purpose. And then I learned that from Makeup Geek, she was doing like these live tutorials, and she said that if you have small eyes, it's best to just use mascara as opposed to fake lashes. But they're fun for special occasions, and I will use the lashes that I bought next week with the black. And really not much to talk about except that I don't know what's going on with Wet n Wild. They're saying that due to COVID, their shipping is very, very delayed. I'm not sure why you're going to have a huge, release and then say that shipping has been delayed. It's been about 8 days now. That's including the weekend. If you remove the weekend, it is 6 business days, and that still has not shipped. And I'm not sure why they said they were leaving the boxes for last, but I have called them several times. I've been asking on Facebook what's going on. I've been asking on Instagram. Other people have been saying the same thing. About 5 other people were saying the same thing, that they are not, it hasn't even shipped yet. And I was anxious about this release because I know they've messed up so many times, and now I'm kind of nervous what's going on that they're not shipping it. And next year I'm gonna be looking on Ulta so I could get it from them before I deal with this crap again. But let's just hope everything works out. They said they'll have it shipped by tomorrow, the latest. That it should go out today, but if not, it'll go out tomorrow. So hopefully they ship it priority and it doesn't take me another week or so to get it. But so yeah, that's all I could think of right now. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.